Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we make sure your purchasing decisions are as sharp as a katana. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. On one side, we have the speed demon, Creality K1C. And on the other, the versatile beast, ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild comparison. First up, let's talk speed. The Creality K1C boasts a max speed of 600 millimeters per second. That's like putting a rocket on your printer. Imagine printing a mini Eiffel Tower in the time it takes to microwave your leftover pizza. On the other hand, the Neptune 4 Plus isn't slow either, hitting a max speed of 500 millimeters per second. It's like a cheetah racing a greyhound. Both are fast, but one's got that extra zoom. So, if you're in a hurry to print your next cosplay prop, Creality K1C might just be your new best friend. But hey, Neptune 4 Plus is no slacker either. Next, build volume. The K1C has a decent build volume, but the Neptune 4 Plus? It's like the penthouse suite of 3D printing. With a build volume of 320 by 320 by 385 millimeters, you could practically print a small village. Okay, maybe not a village, but definitely a castle for your cat. And who wouldn't want that? So if you're into printing large, elaborate pieces, the Neptune 4 Plus is your go-to. Creality K1C, you might need to sit this one out. The extruder and nozzle, the heart and soul of any 3D printer. Creality K1C comes with a clog-free direct extruder and a tri-metal unicorn nozzle. Yes, you heard that right, a unicorn nozzle. Because who doesn't want a little magic in their prints? Meanwhile, Neptune 4 Plus sports a dual-gear direct drive extruder with a 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle. It's like the Swiss Army knife of nozzles, versatile and ready for anything. PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, nylon, you name it, it can handle it. So if you want to feel like a wizard while printing, go for the K1C. But if you need a workhorse that can handle all kinds of filament, Neptune 4 Plus has got your back. Now for the bells and whistles. Creality K1C has an AI camera for real-time monitoring, time-lapse photography, and even a hands-free auto-calibration leveling system. It's like having R2D2 as your personal assistant. Neptune 4 Plus offers efficient cooling, easy connectivity options like Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN, and even boasts a double-sided cooling fan setup. It's basically the Tony Stark of 3D printers, always cool and always connected. So if you want a printer that practically prints itself, Creality K1C might be your pick. But if you need something that's cool under pressure and easy to connect, Neptune 4 Plus is the way to go. When it comes to online reviews, users have mixed feelings about both printers. For the Creality K1C, some reviewers rave about its user-friendly features and fast print speeds, making it ideal for beginners. However, others have faced issues with defective units and found the setup challenging. Meanwhile, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is praised for its large build volume, excellent print quality, and versatility. Yet, it requires a thorough pre-flight checklist and hands-on adjustments before each print. There you have it, folks. Whether you're Team Creality K1C or Team ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus, you can't go wrong. Both of these printers are powerhouses in their own right. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a smart buy. Until next time, stay sharp and buy smart. Product links are in the description.